Hi, hello, welcome to Scale Up Career. So here we are to build website in 5 minutes, and I promise you to do it under 5 minutes with no code needed, absolutely zero coding language, and we'll be only using Canva. So let's go to Canva. And in Canva, there are templates for websites. So we use any of the template. Let's say we are building an educational website. So I type education, and the moment I get few websites which are templates. I mean, there are many templates that we have on Canva. So we scroll down and maybe look for something that is interesting, that resonates with us or our brand, etc. Now I found something. So basically I'm going to apply all the 8 sections. It is going to be an educational website. I'm building the website for Scale Up Career. So I type Scale Up Career, and that's it. So we have the website with the template, etc. Now all these templates are definitely modifiable. You can definitely go down and change. You can change the logo that is there on the website and increase the font size so that it is according to what you want and your brand consistency, etc. So we this is an educational website, a template, and it has multiple things. Testimonials, let's say you have your own testimonials, you can replace them. And you have a donation page, let's say you want a contact page. So I'm going to update some things, some details, so that apart from that, I can come back and update other things later. First, I'm going to change my phone number. Yes, 9902632310. That is the number if you want to enroll for any courses at Scale Up Career, or you can write to us at scaleupcareerofficial@gmail.com. So once we have done all the changes, remember that it is important that we have a hosting. That is, we have to have a website domain that we have already purchased so that we can make the website live. Now at the moment the website is just on Canva. It's more or less like any design template. It could be, for example, your poster, thumbnail, any of the thing. On the other hand, we need to go to the website and to type the site address URL. Say for example, I want the address URL, so I go to the domain. Now it says there are two options. One is bring your own domain. Yes, I have a domain called scaleupcareer.in, which I have purchased from GoDaddy. So I go to GoDaddy and I ensure that the registration is all in my name, it is all linked to me. And so basically I go back to Canva. Now you can purchase this on hosting or on any other places, but it should just be linked to you. So scaleupcareer.in would be the domain name, and I hit on continue, login, and auto connect. Now what this is doing is basically it is going to hostinger, where GoDaddy and hostinger are going to be connected. Now the DNS and everything else, that is basically DNS records, would now be handled by GoDaddy. So I go back from GoDaddy to the Canva. So it says use this domain. Yes, sync your website and use this domain. Now scaleupcareer.in would be the domain, and my website that I have built on Canva. Remember, you can make multiple changes, you can add the website, you can do a lot of things, you can track website performance. However, as soon as you make the changes, there will be some things that will be showing what is the track. You can track the changes as well. Once you come out and check for scaleupcareer.in, it will show that there is a DNS resolution error. I came back after a few hours and you can see that scaleupcareer.in is the new website that we have built, and with absolutely no code. That's right.